Hi everybody, it's Miss Susan and I just recorded how to make a bunny out of a handkerchief for my do-it-yourself parent-child class. So I thought while I had my handkerchief, it's actually a napkin out, and had everything all set up, I would show you guys how to make a doll out of a napkin, a cloth napkin that is, or a handkerchief, or any kind of a square of lightweight cloth will work. So there's two different ways you can do it, and that I know of. There's probably more than two ways, but I'm going to show you two ways to do it. So I'm going to move my camera so you can see my square of cloth, which has gotten very wrinkled. I can move my cup of tea out of the way so you don't have to look inside. It's gotten very wrinkled because I've been practicing making bunnies and making dolls. So I used to do this for my girls back in the old days, well, when they were little and they liked it, and when we could go to restaurants. But you can do it at home. You could do it if you have to be sitting in the car for a long time. So this is the first way to do it is where you don't need anything except for just the napkin. It's easier with lightweight cloth. So this is about 20 inches square. That's a good size. If the cloth is thinner, you can do it with a smaller piece. So for this one, we're starting at the corner with the corner, and I'm gathering it. What is that? Like maybe 6 inches down. So this is going to be the head. I'm going to tie a knot, just like a regular overhand knot. So there we go. There's a head. And then I'm going to take the two upper corners here. Those are going to be the arms. And I'm just going to tie, again, little overhand knots. And those will be the hands. And there you go. A super simple little doll that you can make just out of any little piece of cloth, any piece of square cloth. Yeah, I really like this one because it's so simple, and you can make a doll. How fun is that? So let me show you. I'm just untying this, and I'm going to show you the other way. And for this one, you will need, in addition to your handkerchief, square of cloth, cloth napkin, whatever, you're going to need, this is what I have lying around, but like a piece of string or a rubber band will do. Anything that you can use you're going to use it to make the head. So for this one, I'm going to fold it. These are not precise. These are just silly little dolls. I'm going to fold it about a third. This is about a third, and there's about a third here. And then I'm gonna roughly find the middle, and I'm gonna take my string and just tie this. So this is gonna be the head. If you had a little bit of stuffing or something, you could make it rounder if you wanted to. I'm just gonna do it really simply. So now we have the four corners, and you can kind of see the shape. So here's the arms, here's the legs, and I'm just gonna tie a knot, just little overhand knots like that in each corner. You don't have to tie knots in the legs. I think it's kind of fun to do it that way, so it has some feet and a little more weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there you have a little doll. You could, if you wanted to, like I said, if you had another like little piece of cloth or even some tissues or something that you could crumple them up and put them in there and make the head a little rounder. You don't have to. And there we go, a little baby. If you have another cloth, you could wrap it in a blanket. I used to make these for my girls when we needed to amuse ourselves. But I hope you have fun. I hope you have fun with these. And um, I don't know. I just think it's really fun to be able to make a doll so easily and entertain your child. Yeah, my do-it-yourself parent child class, I showed how to make a little bunny, which is probably just as simple as this. There's all sorts of little things you can make out of handkerchiefs or napkins or whatever. Um, so have fun. If you like this video, please like it on YouTube and also subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time.